This is Harry J from Mass Communication. I'm again with another unboxing. In this I have a simple product. I have a lamp for you guys. It's a hanging lamp. You can put it in your living room, you can put it in your kitchen, or you can put this one in your hall. Okay, the box is big. The price was a good one. I paid 30 euro. That could be equivalent to $35 to $40. Price is the same in AliExpress if you want to buy, or Amazon. And I give you 1 day delivery. In AliExpress it took me almost a week to arrive here. It was the first delivery from China to Spain. So here is the box. I'm gonna cut this pack. It's an average packaging from Chinese. I'm gonna use my popular knife. Here we go. Let's cut the pack. The first thing is right in here, you see made in China. You can see very average common packaging. Nothing is special, nothing fancy. So you see, nothing is special. I cut from the top. Here we go. This part 2. Okay, is done. Here we go. First thing, you have a manual. It's very important, manuals. Sometimes they don't send you manual. It's very important to have a manual. Thing is good one. Put one side. After that, here this is the top part. This will go on the ceiling. You have 3 holes. You can see 3 lamps together. This is not plastic. I feel some weight. This is, I think, iron, something as this. Iron sheet. E27 max 40 watts. So 3 bulb of E27 holder, maximum 40 watt. Lovely. You have so many holes. 1, 2, 3. I think these are for the lamp. These 2, it will go on the ceiling. So not bad. I put one side. Here we have screws and other material. Okay, this one will hold your lamp at the top. It's fine. Put one side. Here I think, let me take this out. This look as a pipe made of bamboo stick. I'll cut them. Let's see. See, these are the pipe. Material is bamboo, no plastic. Original bamboo, wooden. Here we go. 3 good. Perfect. Decent material. One side you have big hole, another side you have a small hole. Decent material. One side. After that, lovely packaging. Safe, I should say. These are the lamp or lamp holder. Okay, you see holder inside. E27 regular bulb. You can assemble in this one. Let me, I think I can take this off from bottom. Don't need to cut or anything. Safe packaging. See? Take this out. Lovely. Has a cable at the top. This you have to connect, you have to assemble with the main power source. But this one, look, this is, I feel as a aluminium, I feel cold at my hand. When it's plastic, you don't feel that sensation. This could be aluminium or metal sheet, something like this, but very elegant looking. You see, it's beautiful. Put one side. Let's see the second one, the same process. It's a triple lamp. There we go. So many bag. Same way I take this off. Beautiful. This one is gray in color. Is opaque. It's not shiny. The same material, you can listen the noise. The holder and the cable is the same. You have to attach to the main electric source. Fine. This will hang. It will hang. When I will assemble, I will show you exactly. You will see after assemble how it looks. This one I put one side too. And the last one, here we go. The bag, take it out, take from the middle. This one is dark color, black. You can see beautiful black color, same material, same holder. Bulb, it should come with bulbs, but they didn't send me, so I have to put my bulbs. I already have bought some bulbs. That will take some time to arrive here in Spain. Let me open this part as well. So it's the same thing, 3 of them. Beautiful black, white and silver. Or gray, you can say that. I put the box one side. Let me put here one close to another. You can see all of them together here. Material is quite decent. You have long cable, so if you want to hang long place, you can do that. You can decide what you want, long, small, medium. The size depend on you. So very lovely, not so much expensive, neither cheaper. 30 euro to 35 euro, so it's neither cheaper, depends, okay, depend on the places. In US dollar could be 40 to 45 US dollar. Lovely material. So I'm gonna assemble this one on my ceiling of my kitchen, this one for kitchen, and I will show you. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye-bye.